So, little job this morning. Going to replace these old halogen spotlights with these nice new LED spotlights up here. However, I want to extend them out a bit. So, I'm going to use some of this 10x20 sealed box section I got left over from the pannier build. And just knock it up. Show you guys a little bit. So just have them out here so we got better coverage. So this is just a closer look at what we had. We had the old halogen bulb ones, if you will. 55 watt, 12 volt ones. As you can see, they're just a bit manky. Corroded, all the carriers are corroded. The lights work fine, but like I said, drawed a bit too much power for the little light that you did get from them. And with LEDs being so good now, I'd upgrade to these. So these are 18 watt and floodlights rather than spotlights, so they project. It's going to help us a bit. Last time we were camping and pulled in the dark, we used these for a bit of spotlight, but these LED ones would be much better, helping us to set up. So they're wired in to the live to the headlights, so they're taking the switched live to the headlights and then earthed locally, and then using this rated switch to turn them on and off. So I'll probably keep the same wiring design, but I'll just change everything so it's newer, fresher cable. As you can see on some of the bits, some of the cabling that was left on the bike is a bit thin, and the tails are long, and there's been pinch marks and everything, and sometimes as I go trying to fit it all. So we'll just make it tidier, make it safe, make it all waterproof, and yeah, hopefully be able to light up the whole campsite with these new ones. Measured it wrong. Always measure twice, cut once. So it lines up nicely. It's 270mm between the two mounting holes underneath. With these lights here, we'll have them so that edge inside the bar. So if it falls, if we drop the bike or it gets hit on anything, bar will protect it a little bit. So that's about 40mm in. Come in there, so mark him up, cut some holes for these. So, model it up. There we go, just mocked up. So we need to wait for the switches to come, and then we can look at wiring it up.